One, we're going to be doing active listening. And two, reply. The four rules, right? One, that you're going to call me Simi. No, you're going to call me ma'am. Second is that you will give quick answers. Third is that you will not give a one-word answer. And fourth was active listening. Hi, आप दोनों नहीं थे last time? नहीं थे ना? Hi, my name is Simi. You will call me ma'am. You'll call me ma'am. And what's your name? Anne? Thank you. वैसे मुझे याद नहीं रहेंगे. मुझे इन लोगों की भी नहीं याद. मैंने पूछा ही नहीं. But okay. Assignment था active listening try करना था. करा? कितना बुरा सा yes था ना ये? बड़ा irritating होता है ये. Especially for teachers. Well, I'm not a teacher. I'm not a teacher. What am I? Trainer. क्या बोला? What? Mentor. Okay, not bad. Mentor. A trainer. What's the difference between a trainer and a teacher? Very close. Yes. In other words, a teacher will tell you what to do and you will do it. A trainer will get it out of you. You already have it. So she'll get it out of you. And then along with that, new things भी हम कराएंगे. और new things कराने के बाद मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी assignment कर लो, ये लिखो, वो लिखो. No. वो करेंगे हम इकट्ठे, सीखेंगे हम इकट्ठे, assessment करेंगे हम इकट्ठे. It's not like teacher-student behavior. Got the point? Yes. So it's going to be in a very adult. Wow. Okay. All right. So that is the way it's going to be. Okay. Another thing. Last class was fun? Yes. Hello. Thank you so very much.
Hey everyone.
हाँ कोई आए तो hello hi कुछ कर रहा होता है. Parikshit. I know I'm asking for too much because I've been running. I haven't put one bite in my mouth again, which is fine. Can I have a cup of tea? Only tea. Garam bilkul. Lots of jug of tea. Yes. So last time was fun. I want to make one thing clear so that kal ko aapko disappointment now. Every class cannot be only fun. Yes?
Yes.
So in every class, in every session, you will have to give me 10-15 minutes जब मैं teacher type बन जाऊंगी एक concept कराने के लिए और फिर उसके बाद fun because मैं ज़्यादा देर तक I cannot stay teacher. Okay? Because I've been doing it for 30 years. 30 साल से मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ अगर मैं ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ तो. लेकिन मैम आप तो बहुत बोलते हो. हाँ, you're right. Okay, so that is the way. It will be fun. Still funny होगा because किसी और तरीके से I don't know how to do. But सिर्फ fun होने वाला है. उतना ही fun जितना first class में. अगर आप वैसे comparison में जाओगे तो आपको लगेगा classes अच्छी नहीं हो रही. समझ आया? So I wanted to set the expectations correct. Cool? Awesome. Okay. Now, active listening, you said that you guys practiced. You guys did. Did? Yes. At home? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. All right. AC नहीं काम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. नहीं है. Cooling नहीं है. Cooling है. ऊपर है. So we have a remote. How did we do active listening? You have, okay. Say one. Active listening starts. Say one. Say one.
3.
Stop. देखो assumption कि आगे 6 ही होगा. Active listening. Hold on. Each word को carefully सुनना.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 1, 5. 1,
1, 2.
3, 4, 5.
Again.
3, 2, 1.
1 2 1. हम 1 2 3 4 5 कर रहे हैं, फिर 1 2 1 हो जाता है, फिर 1 2 3 4 5 6 हो जाता है, फिर कितनी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. What small little things in life. And these small little things are the ones which either make us successful faster or they delay. They make our success normal. जैसे सब सक्सेसफुल हो रहे हैं टाइम लगा के, हम भी हो जाएंगे. पढ़ाई करोगे, सब कुछ करोगे, हो ही जाओगे. Faster because of these small teeny weeny little things. Again, 1 2 3 5. Stop. 1 3
4.
5. Oh, hello. कहाँ से आए हो? 5. Okay. We have to speak from 1 to 5. You were not there in the previous class? आप थे? उसके बाद भी हाल है? 5. That's okay. मजाक. Only 5. Say 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.
All the ones raise your hands. देखा? हम सोच रहे थे क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. 1 2 3 5. All the ones raise your hands. एक दूसरे को क्या देख रहे हो? खुद बनो. Raise your. Record हो रहा है. All right. All the twos, raise your hands.
You didn't ask for 2.
I said two. All the twos, raise your hands.
हमने 2 1 को नहीं बोला ना, hand down करने.
Oh, hands down, 1. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Twos, raise your hands. Higher. Threes, raise your hands. Fours, raise your hands. Fives, raise your hands. Ones, twos, threes, fours, fives. I repeat. Ones, twos, threes, fours, fives. My lips are still moving. No casualty. No casualty. You will not hurt anybody else and yourself. No. And you have 30 seconds to do this. Your time starts now. 30, 29.